Qubit climbed into bed wearing a nightcap, safety goggles, and one emergency flipper. "Prepared for any dream," said Qubit. Minutes later, the little robot was surfing on a library book while a moon-sized dosa chased a violin. Morning arrived with one enormous question: why does a sleeping brain make such strange adventures? Almost everyone dreams, probably several times each night, although many dreams vanish before breakfast. Not remembering a dream does not mean nothing happened. Dream recall differs from person to person and from night to night. Waking during or just after a dream makes remembering it more likely. Sleep is not an off switch. The brain moves through repeating cycles of non-REM sleep and REM sleep, usually several times a night. Each cycle changes breathing, muscles, brain waves, and awareness. Early in the night, deep non-REM sleep is common. Toward morning, REM periods usually become longer. The first non-REM stage is a light bridge between waking and sleep. Muscles relax, thoughts drift, and someone may suddenly feel as if they are falling. Qubit's feet twitched under the blanket. No cliff was present, only a pillow that looks suspiciously proud of itself. In the next non-REM stage, heart rate and body temperature drop. The brain produces brief bursts called sleep spindles and large waves called K-complexes. Scientists think these patterns help protect sleep and may support learning. The brain is resting, but it is still busy organizing and responding. Deep non-REM sleep brings large, slow brain waves. It is especially important for feeling restored, and the body carries out valuable maintenance. Waking can be difficult. Dreams can happen here too, but they are often less vivid or more like thoughts, images, feelings, and fragments than a long movie. Then comes REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep. The brain becomes highly active, eyes dart beneath closed lids, and breathing grows less regular. Most large muscles are temporarily kept very still, which helps stop a dreamer from acting out every dream. Qubit's dream marathon therefore remained safely inside the duvet. Dreaming is not exclusive to REM. Researchers have collected dream reports after waking people from every sleep stage. REM dreams are often longer, more vivid, emotional, and story-like, while non-REM dreams may be quieter or more thought-like. These are tendencies, not rules stamped by a dream inspector. During vivid dreams, visual and emotional brain regions can be active, while some areas involved in careful planning and reality checking may work differently from when we are awake. That may help explain impossible locations, sudden scene changes, and talking penguins that nobody questions until morning. One leading idea is that dreaming relates to memory. During sleep, the brain replays and reorganizes parts of recent experience, strengthening some connections and weakening others. A dream is not a perfect video recording. It may remix a maths lesson, a football match, and yesterday's missing sock into something entirely new. Another idea connects dreams with emotions. Dreaming may help the brain process feelings or place emotional memories into a wider story. Some scientists also study whether dreams simulate challenges in a safe internal world. These are useful hypotheses, but a scary dream is not a secret prediction of the future. Dreams may sometimes inspire creative connections because the sleeping brain combines ideas in unusual ways. Artists, writers, and scientists have reported waking with interesting possibilities. But dreams are not magical answer machines. Qubit asked one for tomorrow's homework and received a recipe for invisible soup. Here is the honest scientific answer. There is no single proven purpose of dreaming. Dreams may reflect several processes, including memory, emotion, learning, brain development, and the brain's attempt to build a story from activity during sleep. Some parts may even be byproducts rather than messages with a hidden meaning. Nightmares are vivid, upsetting dreams. They can become more common during stress, illness, frightening experiences, or irregular sleep. An occasional nightmare is normal. After one, slow breathing, a light, water, and talking with a trusted adult can help. The monster cannot file a complaint if you rewrite its ending. Frequent nightmares that cause distress or make someone fear sleep deserve support from a parent, caregiver, doctor, or qualified mental health professional. Helpful treatments exist. Nobody should be teased for bad dreams. Brains can react strongly to feelings, and asking for help is a sensible piece of nighttime engineering. Sometimes a dreamer realizes, "I'm dreaming." That is called lucid dreaming. A person may influence parts of the dream, but control is often incomplete, and researchers are still studying it. There is no need to force lucid dreams, buy miracle gadgets, or lose sleep practicing. Healthy sleep matters more. Want to remember dreams? Keep a notebook nearby, wake gently when possible, and write a few words before reaching for another activity. Even a color or feeling can unlock more detail. Still, dream journals are optional. Forgetting dreams is common, and made-up certainty is less useful than an honest blank page. The best dream experiment is caring for sleep. Keep a regular bedtime and wake time, get daylight and activity during the day, wind down calmly, and make the room cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid caffeine late in the day and bright screens near bedtime. Qubit removed the emergency flipper, closed one eye, then reopened it. For science, whispered Qubit, I should probably dream again.